Hey, welcome back. Today we've been doing some boat jobs. The job I've been doing today is to remove the yellow staining which was all around the hull. So she's clean now. It was all stained along here. I'll show you how that works and the product I used. The other thing which we've done the other day was I changed the brakes and wheel bearings, and oh boy they needed doing. So I've taken the brake drum off and these pads are looking awfully bare. Definitely need servicing. And I was wondering where the pads were, and then I realised the pad is actually stuck to the drum. So I'll have to chisel that off and clean it up. But the good news is the wheels turn freely now and the brakes work on the trailer. The other job which I'd love to do, which I'm probably not going to get around to, is remove the anti-fouling. So I've got a great product here which I've used to remove the yellow staining. Y-10, the original fiberglass stain remover. Highly recommended. You just brush it on, leave it for a few minutes and it works. Regards the anti-fouling though, that's my attempt at removing anti-fouling and it's a mess. So I'll probably give that another go and see if I can neaten it up. But I was particularly trying this area first because I've got some self-leveling plates which I want to install. Trim tabs, self-leveling trim tabs, which will help keep the boat running nicer in the water. But yeah, so we'll see if we can get that off. So I'll show you the process of removing the yellow staining now, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more great content like this. Alright, so where I've applied the stain remover, you can see it's just really worked. You have to go to an area which hasn't been applied to see where it's still needs doing. So up here you can see the yellowing and the brush strokes where the stain remover has been applied and where spots have been missed. So that was no effort, just brush it on and wash it off after a few minutes and all the yellow staining's gone. So it's supposed to work on rust stains as well, so we'll try this cleat now. So I really didn't need to use much, just a bit on the tip of the brush. Just going to brush it around the stain and then leave it a few minutes to work. Looks like the stain's starting to vanish now. Might take a bit more where it's a bit thicker. Might need to apply a couple of coats. But you're supposed to leave it 10 minutes, I don't think we've been 10 minutes yet. Only 2:50. That's starting to dry off now, so I'll rinse it off and we'll probably just go again with another coat. But that's an amazing result. Most of the staining's gone and I'll apply a little bit more where it's thicker and it'll probably come off.